Alright, Master Designers, we're gonna be redrawing an old favorite. Alright. Okay, stop possessing me, jeez. We're gonna be Alright, viewers, we're gonna redraw an old favorite of mine, a Pokemon which I drew a while ago, and is in the need of a color tracing, is in the mood of a tracing. We're gonna draw Chandelure, the luring Pokemon. Chandelure is a ghost and fire type. Chandelure's spooky flames can burn the spirits right out of someone. If that happens, the spirits would become trapped in this world, endlessly wandering. Its attacks are Pain Split, Smog, Confuse Ray, Flame Burst, and Hex. Well, some of them anyway. If you ask me, it kind of looks like a chandelier / jack-o'-lantern. Yes, and another thing, I think Chandelure is possibly one of my top 10 favorites of the Pokemon Unova Region franchise, the Black and White series. I still think I should get my hands on one of these, even though I have them in Pokemon Sword and Shield. Well, basically, I only have Pokemon Shield. I never got the chance to play Pokemon Sword. So anyways, when you start drawing this Pokemon, you must draw the crown and then his eyes. You know, trace them like so. Now to color this thing in. Now let's just color this thing in like so, and then done. There we go. Now we just trace a line down here. There we go. Just trace this thing up. Now we just draw a line here. There we go. Now we just draw the stem here. Draw the stems of the flames coming out of his arm. Out of his arms. There we go. There we go. Now we just draw the other chandelier, the other part of the chandelier. Best song. There we go. Now you must do the same thing with the other side here. There we go. And the last thing we do is the flames. And there we go. There. That's how you draw a chandelure. Pretty impressive, right? I know I did the same thing with Clembots a while back. Because I accidentally deleted that one. But I retraced it and I got it back in action. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and I'll let you guys know what awesome character I'll draw you guys next. So, to all you Pokemon fans, be sure to give out some information on the next game, and when the next Pokemon franchise is going to come out. Be sure to let me know in the comments below. See you soon.